Hi, this is Josh from Plugin Machine again. In this video, instead of talking about WordPress plugins, I'm going to talk about just PHP basics for people who are brand new to PHP. I might be learning for the purpose of learning WordPress development. So this is VS Code. It comes installed on Windows computers. You can download it for Mac or Linux on the internet for free. I'm going to create a new file here. And I'm just going to call it test.php. I'm just going to do a few things here, just to show some basics. PHP it has variables and constants. So if we want to have something that's value that's never going to change, let's say the database password, we can just do this, say like, this is my password. And this happens in WP config. And then anywhere else in my code, I could say like echo db password. And if we run this here, test.php, see it echoed, like prints it out. This right here, cool. But I can't change that. If I wanted to make it like changeable, I could say password equals something. And then I can echo that. And so this is a variable because it starts at the $sign, makes it a variable in PHP. And they can change value. So this could change to 243 here. Notice that it was able to change types. In PHP, we have a lot of basic types like strings, something like letters between quotes, or numbers or floats, quotes have decimals. And these variables can change type. Not every language is that allowed. So we can have what's called functions. And this is kind of like groups of code that we can call again and again. If you open up like your themes functions.php, you see a bunch of functions. So we can say this is like my hello function and echo hello world. Sort of traditional, we say hi to worlds or people. And so now if I run this, I'm not going to get any output because I didn't actually call the function here. But now it does that. Functions can also return values. So now I don't get any output, but I can echo that output. We can also pass variables into functions. Like by default, if I want to turn this into something that says hello to somebody instead, hello dot name. This is going to work. You see this, we got this like undefined variable, and it looks like it would work because this would actually work here. Like echo, two echoes there. Right, this works because name is defined here, but it doesn't work inside of there because we didn't do this. We didn't make it a parameter. So now we can say hello. I spell it right, and that'll work. And we could have made that, given it like a default, so it wasn't required. So now if I say like hello Josh, it'll say hello to me. But if I leave that out, I'm not going to get like red squigglies there. It's just going to fall back to the default. So that's like very super basic PHP stuff. We talked about constants, which we use in WP config for like database password or other configuration values of the plugin. So it looks like this. Constant name, what it is. So whatever, could be a number. And then we can get that. We can echo it with referring to the name like this. And then we can also have variables. We can echo them. We can change them. And then we can also have a function where we use variables as the arguments of that function, and we can, of course, use this constant anywhere. It's something like this. Return close space dot name. There. Oh, got to add everything with the semicolon, every line. And so there, that echoed everything that we had. So it's a little bit about just basics of PHP. If you're getting into PHP for WordPress or plugin development, specifically, go to pluginmachine.com/subscribe to sign up for the newsletter, subscribe to the email list, follow on Twitter, or follow on YouTube. Thanks. Bye.